All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how do you find the equation of the line or the formula that describes the linear pattern in the scatter plot. And again, I'm still using the same data set and scatter plot that I have used in my other videos. Okay, and basically, here's what you're going to do. Click on one of the dots of your scatter plot, any dot, just choose one, click on one. So how do you know you did it correctly? Because you're going to see the little square around the dots. Then you're going to do with your mouse, right click, and you're going to see this little window. Again, like I mentioned in another video, in my version of Excel, it shows up in this window shows up. In a newer version of Excel, most likely you're going to see it on the side. Uh, Look in the menu for add trend line. Okay, and another window will open up, and it's the same window that opened up in a previous video to show the value of R square. Okay, and look down where the three boxes are located, the check boxes, and there's one box that is saying display equation on chart. So check that box. In my case, I'm going to click close. And right now you don't see the equation because it's overlapping the R square. So I'm going to click and drag so you can see the equation. And look, Excel found the equation of the linear pattern, the formula of the linear pattern shown in the scatter plot. Now, I want to make a couple comments because, let me see, let me make this a little bit bigger. I apologize. I needed a pencil. Be careful because in statistics, the equation of the linear pattern, we don't use y. In statistic, what we do is we use y hat. Okay, and y hat means that this is the equation of the sample. When do we use y? When is the equation of the population, and this scatter plot is not my population. That's why we should use y hat, not y. And another thing is, in statistics, we do not write the equation of this line like y equal mx plus b. We write it backwards. We write b plus mx. So careful when you're working the problems in my stat lab. Don't write the equation like it's shown here. You have to write it like this. So if I rewrite this equation of my linear pattern, this scatter plot, it will be y hat, and then b will be minus 5.2 and or plus 1.4x. Okay, and that will be the equation of my linear pattern. Okay, keep that in mind. I hope this helps.